Hello, as you know, my name is Kainton Munonye or Kainton the Tech Pro, and today we continue from where we stopped from lesson 1 of the Java programming for beginners. Remember, this series of lessons are for beginners, persons who don't have any knowledge of programming. So what I'll say is that you may have to subscribe so that you receive regular updates on when a lesson is ready. So just look below this video, click on the subscribe button there, and if you've done it, we can continue. Remember, it takes nothing much to become a Java programmer, and that is what you are going to be in the next few weeks or months of following these lessons. Remember, these lessons are very simple. They are meant for beginners. So from lesson 1, this is where we stopped. The last part of the lesson was just to open Netbeans after a successful installation. If you did not go through lesson 1, please, I think you may have to go back to go through lesson 1. So this is lesson 2. You can also print out the procedure for lesson 2 and then follow it on paper. The description contains a link to the procedure you can print out if you want. So let's continue with lesson 2. Lesson 2, here we are going to write our first program, but before then let me get you up to speed or make you understand the various parts of this Netbeans window. So you see this projects tab and also this files tab and this services tab. Just know that they exist. Secondly, you see this run button here. Okay, you see this run button, we are going to use it. Now it's not active, but we are going to use it. So take your time to go through different icons there and then see the description in the flyout tooltip that comes out. So another thing I would like to let you know is that you can actually see a list of some projects you've been working on. And before I forget, just look at my document folder, and there you'll see a whole lot of things, but I want you to look for Netbeans projects. So just type N, it takes you to Netbeans projects. This is the folder that contains all the applications you build in Netbeans. Alright, so let's get started. Go ahead to click on File and click on New Project. Remember, don't click on File, New File, click on New Project, and then make sure that the first item under categories is Java and the second one under project is Java application. If you've done that, click on Next and then give it a name, My First Program. My first program. So don't worry about every other thing. In fact, don't click on any other thing. My first program, and then go ahead to click on Finish. So here you see creating new project. It takes some seconds, and this is what you see. If you know this, you find out that the run button that I showed you earlier before now is now active. Okay, now if you look at the projects tab, you now see something there, My First Program. If you go to Files tab, you also see a folder, My First Program. For now, it suffices for you to just know that this is the content of the projects. For files, this is the content, but you don't have to worry about all of this for now. I'll explain at the right time. Then you have the navigator that tells you this, My First Program, and then Main. Let me just tell you something you need to know. My First Program is the name of your program. Okay, it means is the name of the program and also is the name of the file. Remember, Java files have the extension .java. So if you look at this place, it tells you the name of the file, My First Program .java, and that is the program that is open and also the file that is open right now. Okay, now Java have written some parts of this program for you, but that is not the important thing. The thing you have to do now is you need to write a program. So where you are going to write program is here, that you have to do code application logic, here. So go ahead to press enter and then type. So if you have the procedure printed out, then you can easily type what is there. But if not, what you are going to type is exactly as I'm going to type it now. So just say system. Remember the first system dots. System have to start with capital letters because the Java program is case sensitive. So if you type system dot, it brings out all of this, but don't worry about it, just type out. Okay, if you notice, you see that out changes to green, but don't worry about that. You say dots and then print ln. Okay, print ln means print line. Alright, so bracket opens and type in double quotes, this is my first program. So this is what I want you to type, and after you've done it, then click on run on the green button there, and that is the run button. Alright, so here you see run. This is my first program, build successful, total time 0 seconds. If you've come this far, then go buy a bottle of beer. You've now written your first program. So try to make some changes, play around, writing something else in here. Come to Java for beginners. Alright, so at this point you can also click on run. Take some time and see. So this means you've written a Java program that is running. It's as easy as this. Alright, so we are going to stop here because I promise these lessons will be very short, and then be ready to follow up with lesson 3. Remember to subscribe, just click on the subscribe button and I will always give you updates on when new lessons come out. Remember, my name is Kainton the Tech Pro, and I'm always there for you for Java programming.